और सीधे लिए चलते हैं लोकसभा की कार्रवाई भी
नहीं है, वो भी सारे सत्र के लिए। सर जेब कटुआ को फांसी के तख्ते पे नहीं चढ़ाया जा सकता।
अपनी बात प्लीज काइंडली पुट योर अपनी बात आप अपनी बात रखिए।
सर कॉल सेक्टर को रेफर, सर कॉल सेक्टर को रेफर करते, सर कॉल सेक्टर को रेफर करते। सर एक जेब कटुआ को फांसी की तख्ते पे नहीं चढ़ाया जा सकता। सर कॉल सेक्टर को बात करते हैं सर कॉल सेक्टर पेज 345। सर कॉल सेक्टर, अरे रुकिए ना, अरे आप भी तो मेंबर है भाई। सर
उनको बोलने दीजिए, आप अपनी बात संक्षिप्त में रखिए। तो दूसरे और 3 मेंबर बोलने वाले हैं।
सर 7 MB निलंबित हो गया, ये कोई छोटी मोटी बात नहीं है। वो लोग जब विपक्ष में थे क्या करते थे, वीडियो में वो भी है। सारे की सारे सदन वॉश आउट होते थे, वो भी वीडियो में सारे कुछ है, रिकॉर्ड में सारे कुछ है। सर कॉल सेक्टर पेज 345, मेंबर शैल on being named by the speaker stand automatically suspended from the service of the house for 5 consecutive sittings or the remainder of the session whichever is less। sir either 5 दिन और 17.5 जो कम है वो दे सकते हैं आप। कॉल सेक्टर कहते सर मैं नहीं, 345 पेज on a member shall on being named by the speaker stand automatically suspended from the service of the house for 5 consecutive sittings or the remainder of the session whichever is less। the house may however at any time on a motion being made resolve that such suspension be terminated। सर मेरा ही मुद्दा यह है सर, आप ये टर्मिनेट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि सर बात सच जो है, हमारे विपक्ष के लोगों ने आंदोलन किया था। इसका ट्रिगर क्या है, जब सोनिया गांधी जी राहुल गांधी जी को कहे जा रहा है कि कोरोना वायरस लाए इटाली से, तब उन लोग गुस्सा में आ गए। तब मैं नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन जब ट्रिगर रहा
थैंक यू
सर, लेकिन उन लोगों को कुछ नहीं हुआ। कुछ लोगों कुछ नहीं होते, हम प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं, हमारे खिलाफ कार्रवाई होते हैं, ये सब सही नहीं।
ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन साहब, 7 members of Indian National Congress have been named yesterday from the chair. Sir, this is not the first time such things are happening in the House. I am here since 12th Lok Sabha. So I have seen such type of incidents have happened, but ultimately within a day or two matters are normally settled. And we must admit we have not seen any arrogance from the speaker's chair up till now. He has always shown patience towards the MPs, and the beginning was very good. I apprehend whether government is creating pressure upon the honorable speaker. Sir, I would request you from the bench of the opposition, we are all friendly to each other, this side or that side, we are our colleagues. Sir, I would request the honorable speaker to withdraw the suspension. He has every authority. He is the custodian of the house. If he wishes to do so, it matters only 1 second. Suspension for the whole session is a very, very...
Thank you, Sudhir ji.
I should rather say it is a very unwanted decision. Sir, our humble submission that this...
Sir, thank you very much.
Withdrawn
Shri Dayanidhi Maran ji
to join at this session from tomorrow.
Sir, on behalf of DMK party and our leader M.K. Stalin, we request the chairman, speaker to recall the decision. Sir, let's be very clear, sir. All of us are friends here. Sir, if the situation has come to a point where members are protesting, sir, I never been heard. There's a Lakshman Rekha line drawn in the middle of the house saying that the members from this side should not go to the treasury branch. Sir, ridiculous things have been happening in this house. Sir, if the members are protesting, sir, members, we all cooperated when the health minister made a statement on coronavirus, which is a serious thing. So, at the same time, we've been demanding when 50 people are dead in Delhi, in the city of Delhi, because of the communal violence, which the Home Minister has not even come to the house. to respond. The Prime Minister has not come to the House. Sir, naturally members will get agitated. Sir, again, in the parliamentary system, in the democratic system, we have been trying to get the attention of the chair for all these days. But sir, with due respect to the chair, sir, why aren't you allowing us to voice our opinion? Sir, the country is based on opinion. Sir, kindly recall the decision taken.
Thank you very much. Srimati Supriya Sule ji.
Sir, on behalf of the NCP, I stand here with full humility because I do understand that what is happening in the House is not a pleasurable experience, and we are not setting a good example in the country either. But Honorable Rajnath Singh ji is here, so I would very humbly like to request to him that we would have never reached this logjam provided this discussion was allowed for all the issues that the opposition is raising, because the Delhi issue and the riots are exceptionally a critical issue. Had the government agreed to a decision, to a good discussion, which we were all willing very patiently to find a via media. I don't think the opposition is only here to criticize. India is going through a difficult challenge. We are taking a beating. There's uneasiness in the country, sir. So we have a nice, healthy discussion in the larger interest of the nation. I even request the Treasury benches to walk an extra mile and allow us. And I think the suspension is totally disproportionate, sir. I humbly request you. I even went and met the Honorable Speaker yesterday requesting him. It's too long, so I would request
Thank you very much. Shri Rajiv Ranjan Singh ji.
तो कांग्रेस के अरकान पार्लियामेंट की मुअत्तली के मामले से ही आज जो है पार्लियामेंट की पूरी कार्रवाई वो गूंज रही है। हमने देखा कि किस तरह से कांग्रेस के अरकान जो हैं वो हाथों पर काली पट्टियां बांधकर अपना एहतजाज दर्ज करवा रहे हैं और इस सब के बीच